Ayenta taringa.
It's okay. To assume ayenta ntenta to mino. Taibo.
Ayenta ta.
Mau mino akwete. Taibo. Aba iriba mau mino ngai batie.
Nche mbona takomanya.
Ya ntu kwate mo iri no e kasi ni kuruso mau mino andora amenyo.
Trubena. Yana kwani? Ngikegenda tome tokiondo gachira lia gonte bina e customer nere tete gwaka na yani akuma na kumirira ki what's going on. Kumbe naye. Ngikekebe. Trubena, what's going on? Akiunkolera ole Trubena. Trubena, nkiukolera baba. What's the problem? Nkiukolera.
I lost everything.
Oh my God. Ole gaki. Nakiyare wetu. Nakiyabete.
Tochite ese judgment edetiria begetu. And then I don't know. I don't know. Because no like he didn't listen to me. Yeah. No.
You gotta create into one the final verdict.
Yeah. I need to be given time. Be evaluated in a way. I see a therapist.
Oh my God.
And I have nowhere to go. Like so honestly speaking, go on the way. I have nowhere to go. Like I don't know. Loved hanging this street, you know. When I came back home, into the plan was I get whatever it is and I get it so that I can start my life.
Understand?
But like there's nothing. There's nothing I am even living for. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. And I have no one. No, like I have refused to leave it because I have no choice. I have no choice. Kuru, you know the kind of life I have lived to get to this point where I am begging to even stay somewhere. I am begging to even have something to eat.
Hata borango. Biore. Wakire bose boire. Ana korukwa gacheto metinga nkwa ntigete chitai ora sincha ndigete. Orendo chayo konyakori. Chitote pike konyagotari maino. Tometie kinje kinarire menyerete mbiongo kundochi.
Chingo kongese chinante tamaino. Ngoja gotiga onanyama. Wa tenkoria nsumbwa maino. Ngira nembi nali bintu na mushroom. Mandagara. Amawowa.
Ndagero konyagontogarira kitate nchare nkurete korukwa gachiete. Okabuse binde nyomberi yo mumurori ogatiga pikomete no mwanafunzi.
Nchare kuriete.
Nanya kuragera. Airocho bunandi.
Sai chekire bose sana no muntu tararagera.
Nanya kuragera amatuka atatu amatuko 3 1 2 3 nanya kuragera.
Nkiwa tole kai fasting.
Fasting nana kinga inko rusie ndagera. Ndagera kikwarie toka buso
gasokero gakora. Kenye yo muntu naro gwika sana na tararagera Nairobi.
Mbono gustuka. Ere kwariete ndagera moino gakora ugatotiga tometinga kito ko survive kwa bwate birenge ringa ko yiwika sana ne Kenya ya muntu tayo obwanate utararagira paka chinse sana ni
muinararia muchandike
tonyolete asi konya tori asi tokomenyeti konya
nche
enyewe binadamu ana kumbukumbu
nche mokamenyi nche
ntokomenyeti
wa
mundande moino
ndande ningo
asi kwa buse ndagera ukaragera ukabonge ugakora kere gento gatotiga tokwete gari
nibongo kwani
unani surprise tinkwete
unanifananisha
na kufananisha tata
kwamba nje
ke tata tonyore ti ondari ondande
ningo
omo murori boyfriend eri anastu amenyete omwanafunzi ori okorobo DJ
oyi nanya ko muibu
nkwanya ko muibu okari endagiro gakora no mwanafunzi ari taratomera pocket money o DJ bombura tara bombura akanu nembure yekonya gutuga no mbia sara mbio
oyi no muntu chandikitiga andi badale moyo
nayo tomende temechando hata waisintua chandikete
kwani uona nifananisha na nani
siwani baba yangu
mimi baba ya nani mimi hata sijaoa
Ifaji ni Mary.
Nche?
Ibachora.
Ayo mwana oyo. Otomire bono ncho kwambwekani.
Nche no mwana ogo.
Wewe.
Tawe kona.
Wewe ni nani?
Aiga mu anti ya nore. Anti ke muntu. Ende na chiro mu ebereri. Egera ngira ni kogera. Rero ngise korara ntari etikende ndabe etikende mono. Nakure. Namagaki. To konkonya.
Ke muntu ni anti yao.
It's okay. Nkiota ingo chonte beri unakwa kile kintu kiasiri. You didn't come to tell me. I thought you were okay. I actually thought maybe you would win. That's why ujakuja kuniambia anything.
I didn't know how to do that. Actually, even when I got this place, I didn't even know it was your place. I just got here and I'm like, okay, why are you here? I got there and I was like, I think in a way it was God sent that I got this specific place, because otherwise in any other place we can go now things way to the street. I didn't get chokora, you know.
No, to bana kiurale chokora kindega, don't mind. Onona ina kiute tengo konye. What can I do to help? Because onogenda koberaga, what happens next? Kayobo gimawa kwenda because you just here, you are depressed, you're crying. What do you want me to do? How can I help you?
I just need a place to stay for now. Because I don't know what else to do. Because I can get a job. I don't know how to work in this country. I don't know. I haven't worked a day in my life.
What will happen next?
Do
you feel like you need to talk to your dad?
I don't know what else to tell my dad, because I think our relationship is so bad. It's so bad that I think you know, because I resent my dad. I hate.
No, don't say that.
I hate him so much.
Would you like me to talk to him or anything of this?
You can try, but I can tell you for free, my dad is not going to change.
Ya musubati omindo.
Oboiri bueno imuru boru erete koru.
Ayenta to minto. Ayunta to minto, orine sister yago, inje no mwana ogo orina auntie yane.
Ayo kabo mwana wanenche. Unajua wewe usinikumbushe.
Tata tiga.
Tonginyoli kira, tonginyoli. Nonyole tasko arwete. Kwa rento na babu chabelinga ngaino ngaino mwana wane.
Usinje no mwana ogo.
Araria.
Hey tata.
Nimefanya DNA.
Ntobweka nichi mbio.
Na rete bo tukonga sabanke ngata. Ngate Mungu nionyeshe. Kama nimewaiza. Akangorokia wana mbia rete bonza na Amerika bakali. Alafu unakuja kuni blackmail. Oka wash nje.
Nkiobwa tengo ko wash. Usa enta to minto.
Wash miaka mingi. Tigango tediga.
Bono na majukumu yako papa no te to kana te mwano.
Ororeri
ya inche no yo.
Sikiza nikwambie.
Ainde to te byanti anga bere ngangira ni tumenyega. Ma bono na yo kurichi oborere ko ntoge ngachinga ko chinya mani nini. Na inche ngira ni oro ninche na kariro oborere. Kwachire gwateki over.
Ngoko ira ni munangu.
Moebereri angira ni inche muino gari no inche obogima bwa
konge. Okay, ira ni munangu.
Omoyibwa omwana. Mwana oye.
Ukutia sale ngaibukuruela. Kurua sema.
Ayenta to minto.
Mimi si baba ya mtu.
Wewe ni baba yangu.
Uko fosi buyi.
Wanje tuanja ayenta to minto. Tobeka ineme ebioro. Tobeka inema maiso. Tobeka inema to. Tobeka inebi kwa tubuna bibwa tai.
Ngungo tebi. Omukungu ako kwato borito. Acha agotamboka maguru mwana akubikana. Ili nati kugata ngaki. Ano mwana kufanana isaidi. Tianga tebo nekene. Nche narari. Kandi kana wati wana singu manyanga ya tulione. unaona uroreri wetu kuru sokororia paka bona iga monto tayo mutaka hakuna na ibweka how can it be anu mwana one ndo urutaka ete
inte na bataka
njo mutaka
bono
njo ngirendo gosabira usaidizi bono unaniomba msaada
naye wansarete kuru mwanti bono tese mwi watch to gasari kagunse erera monsabero kwabera anyira ni nyumba
okay
nachandike
iga sende mwe sister yane toka na sawa iri ba toka na chango chako ko sawa mamo mino gendo
vai kimbwate
sawa mamo mino bantu mbayo
ko kare tu gaiga aina tata na yo moiri mbwate moiri number 1
okay tigango nkoboli Nyomenda tigango boli tigango kole foolish okay assuming intenta to mino
ayenta tata ringa
it's okay to assume intenta to mino taibo
ayenta tata
mamo mino akwete taibo aba iri ba mamo mino ngaibatie
Mbona takumanya?
Yangu kwate moiri no ekase ni kuruso mama mino ndo ramenyo. Uachane te na bairi bane.
Aina yo moiri mbwate na anti igo. Onya ko kameta bande ngire bochiko bangoro ke orombe roro.
Nkoiro sabo nyakonje ko korke bairi.
Bono asikuwa cheto.
No nyakona mama ete bia.
Kwa mama ete bia ngakige mama.
Mimi hata mama yako atukudate.
Amukudate kutoka wapi nilitoka pinguni.
Mimi atukudate. Oino monto ngumerete ba. Na bwati besa. Na le guru kumbugo. Bouncer. Yondo system. Akambwati rakangagi. Akamite moto. Akambwati baka mwana na menyete koroba. My friend, I had a life. Nko nyoro na mamu mina nsareti obo gima.
Mama ko sa na kwa musareti obo. Ya bagingo tayo chu story na kwa musareti obo gima.
Who what a question on behalf of Nyoko.
Ukutini chetia sobo betata.
Onye gwato miru na bantu ba kwete oto muna machini muko bare ko gamba na Nyoko kwete ako tuma wocha sende mimi usinirete jero montonto ligete.
Okay.
And I think in his own way he does hate me too, so it's only fair.
Baba kaanze kuchukia.
Because I don't know.
Nande na tato milotanya watana kwa I think timeti you n'abantu mwe gwana ini timeti sibire chaso aitagaki.
It was my favorite person.
I really don't know kaibire chaso
aitagaki. My favorite person in the world.
Anyway, so wano Trubena na tuteba oberega no n'umutinyu mugima. Eba n'imitinyu nchomete nabongo gotira. Nabongo gotira oberega I don't really mind. Dionsi na karenta tu no agachite. Nabongo gotira tu obere. But after that, what next?
I think I need help. I really need help.
What help do you need? Like sai?
I think for now it's just a place to stay and maybe food because I have nothing. I literally have nothing. And I think I can also just try to find a job because I don't have any other option.
Do you think unaweza fanya kazi in Kenya?
Well, do I have a choice? Because in Teba, I don't even have money to buy an air ticket.
Yeah.
So I am stuck here. I'm stuck.
Okay, so you wanna go to Rekoberaga because me, I don't have a problem. I won't go to Rekoberaga for as long as you want, as long as you take the Rekoberaga back or feel that you're mentally okay to go out to the public. So seeing you in this state that you can working Korean, but if I can provide a safe space for you, then I'll be very glad. What are you going to do, ma'am?
Candy.
Okay, wait the call. You can bring anything.
I'm going to go. What do you think? Pan fly. And if I'm going to get water.
Okay. So let me just organize. Tente tioke ndeko gechugo sonya rugo onya ko basad. Tianga organize ore turbo naiga. Ikento kyo kante tonkorere. Otenne korwa. Okay, you take a very like warm shower. Ophelia and I get ready in the dining in like 30 minutes. That's okay.
Yeah, that's
so. Nachire bono ega enough your food will be ready, sawa?
Okay.
Okay.
No turegete ko kusabanya sai nche no mwana ngo ngabere Kuna na kwanire baba.
Nyomenda si uko over 18.
Wakati moteri angavere angira niente tindi kuira na mundante. Adina makweli.
Sasa eno mwana ule over 18.
Hakuna kitu over 18 tindo chimbele wala nyuma nimerudi nyumbani.
Yani mukavuga nga nkaranga magena bono munge go ntokonyera. Umuiburia ko mutokonyera ko bayendagera. Musiga. Nyamaza. Kirankwa nenkole. Ogo agaisia gasinini. Gatara kongo na ebitenge. Gate gonto. Wewe nyamaza nionge. Kirankwa nenkole. Okay, kwana wana gukora ntenkwana.
Nakori. Ko bucha kwari ko buche ndagira muntu onde bwensi na bako gecho tori kwenda gasi na ro kwende gasi obo si 200 lige neri mon 25 ngakyo monta ta gecho okaranga magena 7 lituko
ocho kuma nire ndagire ke gusi mo gusi akanete kerango kwana gwakira
nakirire
yani nkarara kinge usite mkweboni na kila lakini mimi naishi aje ngetuma taiga ngaso ya maroko chintika tigiga mnamo watenga tinko baragereri mutasumbuka mutateseka
ntarateseka bona
yani ina baragereri tiri moiga no iwi kitara yara mumeteseka sai you are
kotorageri kibasene ndagira kwa rieto gakora to sinyirenga itogo chakera
karuga usaliri kitachana
yongo chato ndo chiga wote byandika ndani
no muntu roba iti no mira koti asa yonko yu tu akornete na kare pi
kaenda to minto ni mpapa 20 na 50
yo musacha akorageri nganje ko korageri no nganiga you okay is your bodula
nigirira no musacha kama tori kongira ni mwani
bale ngana akorigiro kwerora sasa hiyo type yako ndio hiyo type ya mateso you are attracted to poverty umuntu tegutumia reasoning
aya karangira bononda aragira manya ko manyanga ingo swera ndio
unatumia macho kupenda si utumia akili
ni sawa nombo nonkorongane moino kayigari bono kitengera bosenkiri mani chistri chiriga tigari kuipango tirimboka ngego pimaka nawo ayo pia biashara mbia bila kaji
narorira damu yako na mama yako amuko mbali abachagete hiyo
bono kama kuangire kuonira kuangire kuonsabira bonti kamba roro
hendo igore mpesa pima
kabisa
genda karuga
stayongochi kurangira ndarara agira ntware chinguru nchakire kupimira kana ukonse chinsangapi sangapi wewe se chinsa
otomire toka hapa ni mbokali toka nisite sote